Stay Home, Eat Great. It's Christmas. Today's the 23rd. We're 2 days away. My kids are peeking under the tree. Maybe yours are as well, or maybe you're the one peeking under the tree. Either way, it's upon us. One of the things about Christmas, we start entertaining guests. We start entertaining family, maybe students returning from college. And when that happens, we want to have some good food ready for them. So I'm going to show you today a very quick and easy cheeseburger slider recipe that's sure to be a hit in your house this Christmas season. But before we do that, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every week, and share this with somebody you love. I want to say happy birthday, a shout out to JD Herrera. It was his birthday 2 days ago. JD, we hope you had an excellent birthday, and we hope you have a wonderful Merry Christmas, you and your family. So JD, once again, happy birthday. We also have merchandise available, some t-shirts. Link to that will be down in the description. And I just want to show a quick picture of JD and his cousin Josh. Hello Josh, who bought a couple of our t-shirts, the red. They look good, guys, man. You guys look tough. Yeah, thank you so much for supporting Stay Home, Eat Great. And if you'd like to do the same, please do so by clicking on the link in the description. So now on to our cheeseburger sliders. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Okay, so our ingredients, very easy. We're gonna be using a cake pan. You got one of these, get it out, get it ready. We'll be using 3 pounds of ground chuck. We'll be using these classic dinner rolls. This is a 12 pack, so you're gonna get, guess what? 12 sliders. Come on. We'll be using some sharp cheddar cheese, and for seasoning, salt and pepper. All right, so here we are, step 1. I cut open that cylinder of ground beef. It was a 3-pounder, and I'm taking 2 pounds out. This is what we're gonna use. So here's 2 pounds of ground beef in our cake pan. Here's our 50-50 salt and pepper. So just go ahead and season it to your liking. I like making sure that there's flavor throughout. So if you've ever made meatloaf, you might feel right at home with this. So here we go. We want it to be nice and flavorful. All right, so now flatten this out. I'm gonna flatten this out so it takes up the whole space here of the bottom of your cake pan. All right, just a little more seasoning just on top here. Make sure it comes out nice and tasty, all right? Okay, so here we are. If you notice, I flattened it out, and we put our seasoning. It's throughout here. Make sure, you don't want it falling apart. So we're at 350. All right, so our meat's gonna go in the oven at 350, 20 to 25 minutes. And while that's taking place, I'm taking my glove off. We're gonna get our classic dinner rolls. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what's going on here. We have our classic dinner rolls. This is what we're gonna do with this, okay? All right, 12 sliders coming right up, guys. Your family's gonna love these, man. Easy to make, so tasty. Make them however you like. If you want to put a shot of barbecue sauce at the end, if you want to put some Worcestershire in there, you do what you do. I'm just doing salt and pepper. So I'm gonna take a bread knife. It's a serrated edge. And this is what I want to do very carefully. Find where the round part stops and the bottom begins. Just come right across like this. We want to cut right into here. Let the knife do the work. Just come straight across. Don't smush them or anything. Of course, alternately, you could put any seasoning you might want in your meat. You could put garlic. You could put onion. Whatever you like. Okay. So here we go. We've taken the tops off, okay? So now we have our buns here. See where we're going? 12 buns. I'm gonna set this aside as we wait for our meat to be ready. Be back in a second. All right, and we're back. Our beef is ready. We're gonna pull it out here. Let's see what we got. We've been going for 20 minutes. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna take our beef out. I'm gonna put it here on a cutting board because we want to get there's a lot of au jus and excess fat that's been rendered here, and so we want to get the meat out. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this way. All right, and to help it along, I'm gonna use this knife I had earlier. I don't want it to break. There we go. All right, so we're gonna put our ground beef right here. Can you see this slab of ground beef here? All right, so this just has a lot of extra excess fat here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. All right, so we cleaned our cake pan as best we could right now, and we're gonna bring our buns. So get 12 buns right in here, okay? Next, we wanna put our ground beef back in for our cheeseburger sliders. Very carefully, just like this. Put it in position. Bam! You see that? So we're right back on top. And now we're gonna come with 6 slices of cheddar cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're gonna end up using 5 only. You can determine how much cheese you'll need by any shrinkage on the ground beef. So here we go. We're gonna put 5 slices of cheddar cheese. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put our buns back on. Our bun tops. Ooh, one of them fell off. There we go. All right, and this Lone Ranger comes right back in here. All right. Here we go. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put this back in the oven for 20 minutes. Let it finish cooking through and let that cheese melt. You could top this with a little bit of butter, you know, if you'd like that, on top of these buns and get it going. But here you go, 12 excellent sliders, cheeseburger sliders. So here we go. Next time you see this, we're gonna be tasting them. All right, back into the oven. 350 for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Our sliders are finished. Let's get them out. Come on, let's see what's going on here. Wow, wow, the cheese is nice and melted. Meat is completely done. And so let's go ahead and move them onto our cutting board here so we could do them up just right. Hey Jake, you there? Alright, my son Jake is gonna join us for the first taste. Let's go ahead and get these out real quick. Alright, 12 at one time. Boom, there we go. Alright, 12 sliders. Put that there. Be sure not to burn yourself, guys. Don't forget this is nice and hot, right? So now we're gonna just cut them with the same knife, right? Let's not waste any more stuff here. Cut all the way through, and we'll have 12 sliders ready for your guests on Christmas Day or the day after Christmas or New Year. Whatever you got going on, game day, I don't know, a little fun play here. Let's see what we got. Come on. Is the one. Did you see that? Look at that cheese pool. Oh, come on. All right, so this is what I'm talking about, guys. Here's our sliders, all right? Can you see them? Give you a little spin here. These are fully cooked, fully seasoned cheeseburger sliders ready for your family this holiday season. Alright, so I'm joined by my son Jacob, who's gonna get a first taste of our cheeseburger sliders. What do you think? Are they good? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Excellent, excellent. So Christmas is upon us. We're able to make these cheeseburger sliders at home, kid approved. Okay, you could put pickle inside, you could put mayo inside, mustard, lettuce, tomato, whatever you want to put in there. Be sure to give these sliders to try at your house. Your family's gonna enjoy them. Once again, from my family to yours, Merry Christmas. I'm Steve Lopez. This is Jacob Lopez. God bless you and be safe.